Alright guys, today we're looking at Bitcoin, right? So we fell down to 95,879. We did get the pump up here after I told you guys to 97, but now we're in a different kind of situation. Now what I'm looking for right now is to come back down to $95,400 and to bounce off that. If we can bounce off that and make a double bottom and come back up with the double bottom to 95,800, we could get the breakout move to the top of the channel at 96,484. However, if we fall below 94,930, we're going to see 92K pretty quickly. Now, the rest of the market. So what would I do if I was going to trade? I would not trade until we either come down to 95 and bounce off of it, or I would wait till we come to 94,926 to come test that. Now we are above the 200 MA, which is a good bullish sign. If we can get above this moving average up here, I'd be a lot happier with what we could do. But I do think that we're going to come down. That's my prediction. My prediction is that we go down to 92K before we go back to 100K. But this is a 50-50 shot right here. Like, I'm going to be honest with you guys. This is not a... There's no probability that's telling me that we're going to get a move to the upside or a move to the downside. But I would short right now. I would short down as soon as we get... If we fall below this level, that's when I would open up a short. Fall below 95,400, I'd open up a short. Because we could pump right now, and all these short stop losses right here could get eaten up, right? We could short, and we get stop losses up here that get eaten up. But if we wait for the probability to play out, then there's a higher chance that we're going to succeed on our trade. So if we go to 95,400 and we get a bounce and it makes a pattern like this on the 1 minute chart, then I would start looking for a long to the upside. Now, if we fall below that, if we break below this line right here, we're going to come down and test this level, because that's where the next support is at. And if we fall below that, we could see a move down to 92,000 pretty quickly. And it seems like for the past couple months we've been flipping around between 90,000 and 110,000. So that's the range currently. That's the current volatility range. So yeah, I would wait till 92,000. If we get back to 98,000, I would take a long. But if we come back to 92,000, yeah, I think we'll bounce off of 92,000 though, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, that's pretty much what I would do for Bitcoin. Luna Classic. Luna Classic looking like it's making a bit of a flag. Looks like we could be in an uptrend. I wouldn't do anything. I would wait for Bitcoin to do anything before, because it kind of looks like we got a... Oh yeah, because look at this, guys. You see this? We could get a dump on Terra Luna Classic, guys. I'm calling it right now. Alchemy Pay. Alchemy Pay is looking bullish. Double bottom with a higher high and a low and a higher low. Could get a pump for Alchemy Pay. Ethereum. Oh, okay. So Ethereum had a really weird candle right here, and it dumped pretty low. Now, what we could see is another double bottom play out like this. And that's when I would take the trade when we get back to this level. So right now I would wait for it to come down, wait for it to make something like that, like this, and then I would take the trade right here at the neckline. Dogecoin also looking like it could form a double bottom. Wait for it to come back down like this, and then take the trade. So that level would be at about 25 cents. Right about 25.1. XRP, same thing, looking like we could make a double bottom. Double bottom at around, so I'd wait for $2.40, and then I would take a long. Solana, looks like we could be making a flag right here. What I like to do is draw flags, and if the flag plays out, like let's say this happens, right? If this happens and we get price action that goes like this, and it stays in the flag, I would look for the breakout after that. Like if it gets tight inside this channel right here. Let me draw a better diagram. So there, that's the triangle. Then we wait for this little channel by the bottom of the triangle. We wait for this price action to get into here, and then if it stays above that line right here at the bottom, right here, then we look for the move to the upside. Access protocol. Ooh, this is looking like a really good long. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you see how this double top played out? Giant double top played out all the way back down to support. Oops. So yeah, you could take a long right here on access protocol with a stop loss right here, and that's only like a 3% loss. But if you win the trade and go back to the top of the channel, that's going to be like a 50%. So that's a good risk reward. And you could even put the stop loss right above here if you want to lower the risk. But yeah, everything's looking good. Ponky looks like it's, oh yeah, Ponky looks like we could see a big move for Ponky, guys. Look at this. It's a million double bottoms right here, guys. We're going to come up here probably most likely right now, and then you're going to get a move to the upside for Ponky. Alright guys, that's the crypto analysis for the day. Hope you guys are blessed. God bless you in Jesus' name.